This is the new versions of RAM rechargeable powered PA speakers. The RAM speakers are some of our best reviewed speakers, and now we made them even better by adding TWS linking so you can wirelessly link two RAM speakers to each other and play music through them in true wireless stereo. The RAM series are available in two sizes of 12-inch PA speakers or 15-inch PA speakers, and each speaker is battery powered so you can use it without being plugged into a wall. And they come with two wireless VHF microphones that have their own volume control, a Bluetooth module, and the speakers are encased in a rugged and durable ABS enclosure outfitted with mic holders, carry handles, a trolley handle, and wheels to make it extremely portable. There's also a 35mm speaker socket for pole mounting onto a speaker stand and a locking knob to lock it into place. But let's go check out a quick demo we have set up. Alright guys, we are all set up here. I have two RAM 12 speakers on speaker stands. Before I play any audio, I just want to show you the back of this speaker. So right now, I'm connected to Bluetooth to my phone. Now, if you are connected to Bluetooth or even using an SD card or a USB, all of the volume is going to be controlled off this MP3 volume over here. If this is all the way turned on, you're connected to Bluetooth and you're not hearing anything, just make sure to turn up this MP3 volume knob. That's going to control everything on the Bluetooth module over here. Now, the other really cool thing I want to show you is the mics. So the mics are VHF microphones. There's two for each speaker, and there's basically two positions on the mic. So if you push it up just a little bit, that's the mute position, and if you push it all the way up, that's the on position. And each mic both has their independent volume knobs. So you can see I can turn it all the way down, turn it up, and on this one, I can turn it on. And I can also control the volume over here. Now the other cool thing about the mics is that you can control the echo effect on it with the mic channel over here. So if I turn on the echo, you'll notice that it starts to bring the effect on my voice. And the more I go, the more echo I get. Echo! The other important thing to note is that there is a VHF power button. If you turn this off, it's actually going to cut off the VHF signal. So if I turn it off, you're going to notice you can't hear the mic anymore. And that's because I turned off the VHF signal. So if you're ever wondering why you're not getting any signal to your mic, just make sure you check the VHF button and make sure it is pushed in the on position. Another really cool feature is that there is a talk over button. So if I go ahead and play music really quick, and I push in the talk over function, as I talk, you hear it actually get lower the music. And that's just a really good way to make announcements if you're a party host or a DJ or just running any kind of event. Another really great feature about these speakers is that they have a master EQ. So if I go ahead and play music again and start manipulating the EQ, you can actually hear the frequencies we're boosting. So if I boost the bass, you hear it get much louder. It just gives you a lot of flexibility on your sound preference and how you can sculpt it. Now, another really cool thing about the new version of these speakers is that you can connect them through TWS linking and have music play through two of them at the same time with the wireless connection. So first what I want to do is play some music just through one speaker so we can hear it, and then connect it through TWS and then listen to what that sounds like. So I already have my phone connected to Bluetooth to this speaker. I'm going to turn it around so you can get a better feel. Let's go ahead and listen to what this sounds like. Okay, wow, that sounded awesome, but let's go ahead and connect these through TWS and listen to what that sounds like. So I'm gonna show you how to do that really quick. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is disconnect on your phone through Bluetooth. So I'm just gonna go into my Bluetooth settings on my phone and disconnect from the speaker. I'm actually just gonna turn it off. So I'm going to turn on this unit now. And now on this unit, we're gonna put it into Bluetooth mode by hitting the mode button once. It says Bluetooth and disconnected. So it should say Bluetooth disconnected on both speakers. Now on whatever unit you want to be your main speaker, you're going to hold this TWS button right here for 3 seconds. So I'm just going to hold it for 3 seconds. It's going to give you that chime sound and let you know that you are now TWS connected to this other speaker. And it says Bluetooth A, that's our main speaker, and now our slave speaker says Bluetooth B. So I'm going to turn this around. We're going to listen to what TWS sounds like on the RAM speakers. Now, it's important to note that the volume is going to be handled individually. So on this speaker, you're going to have to set the volume to whatever you want, the MP3 knob, and on this speaker, you're going to have to do the same. Then in my phone, I just turn my Bluetooth back on and I connect. And now let's listen to what this sounds like. That sounded incredible, but I do want to give a quick note. So when you are using this in TWS linking, the only thing that is going to play between both speakers is the Bluetooth music. So if you're using the mic on this speaker, the mic is still going to only come through this speaker, and the mic for this speaker is only going to come through this speaker. So that's just something to keep in mind when you are using TWS. The RAM series of speakers are fully functioning PA speakers that come with a full mixer amp plate on the back of the unit. The Bluetooth LCD module at the top controls SD, USB, and Bluetooth inputting, and all get controlled with this MP3 volume knob over here. Below that is our combo jack microphone input where you can plug in a microphone and control the echo effect here and the volume over here. If you press the talk over button in, music will lower every time you talk into the mic, which is great if you are making announcements at a house party or emceeing a show. Right next to that, we have our line channel, which you can input through RCA inputs or XLR. And it has its own volume knob right over here. And right next to that, we have our XLR line output, which allows you to send signal to another powered speaker or mixer for a bigger professional setup. Above that, we have a 5-band master EQ to really fine-tune the sound around your preference. And below that, we have our 2 wireless mic volume controls. So the 2 included VHF microphones connect automatically when you turn them on, and they each have their own volume control knobs over here. You can also add an echo effect to each mic with the echo knob on the mic channel over here. Also remember to have the VHF power button pushed in order for the wireless mics to work. Below that, we have our battery section. The green LED here lets you know when you are fully charged, and the red LED lets you know when you are charging or when you are not fully charged. And if you ever run out of juice while tailgating or not around a wall outlet, you can use the 2 battery terminals here to get power off a car or any 12-volt source by going positive to the red terminal and negative to the black terminal. The RAM series of speakers are perfect for professional speaking and conference events, for houses of worships, for DJs and live performance setups, for outdoor performers who might be busking or playing an outdoor set at a restaurant, for outdoor barbecues, tailgating, house parties, movie nights, for home garages, gyms, karaoke parties, and many other custom applications. So if you're looking for a 12-inch or 15-inch rechargeable powered PA speaker for your setup, look no further than the RAM series from Rockville.